Before you can create an animation, you must first set up parameters. I will use a dark hair toggle as an example. Go to the top right. We're going to leave Edit Puppet mode by selecting Edit Animation mode. I already have the animation list window, but if you don't, you can add it from the View option. Also add the timeline. Now, hit the plus to add a new animation to the list. Give it a name, and if you want, you can change the frames. Back to the timeline, we have lock, playback, stop, and play. If you look at our parameters, they now have an Add Keyframe button. I'm going to change this and add the starting keyframe. You can use your arrows to move along the timeline. Although I set the frames to 60, it stops one frame early. It is here I'm going to add the ending keyframe. If I hit play, it remains constant. I know this is not the kind of animation anyone was expecting, but stay with me. It's worth it. Here, let's take a peek at the other animations I made. Just remember to reset the parameter before viewing each one. In this one, each parameter is listed. I'm using the middle mouse to scroll up and down. Use Control middle mouse to zoom. Use Shift middle mouse to scroll back and forth. Let's move on to Inochi Session. Inochi Session does not support keyboard toggles, but certain tracking software like Puppet String are a great solution to this issue. However, there is a way to manually activate animations. The animation window lists all the animations created and options for different ways to use them. They have the ability to be looped or played once. There is also an option to trigger them with tracking or an event. If nothing appears in the tracking options, make sure your tracking software is running and hit refresh. You have the same options as the parameters to choose from. Triggering animations with events is simpler as you can just check the box you want. Now, remember when I set the hair animation to be dark from start to end? If I play this once, this is actually how the animation looked like the first time I did it when I set it from normal to dark. But with this new animation setup, looping the animation makes the change constant. You can use this method to make a customizable Inochi2D Vtuber model. Don't forget to save to file in the parameters and animation windows to keep your settings.